Hi, you guys. Welcome back to Meaningful Motivations with Tracy Erickson. And of course, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tracy Erickson, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you all about the Carnelian crystal, and especially how the Carnelian crystal can help you to boost creativity. So stay tuned. The carnelian crystal actually comes from the Latin word carnis, which means flesh, due to its bright orange color. The Egyptians also prized the carnelian crystal because the Egyptians believed that this crystal helps along your spiritual journey here, but especially in the afterlife, in making the transition from this life into the life beyond. The carnelian crystal is also known to increase courage, while this crystal can also be used to calm anger and jealousy and envy. The carnelian crystal is also a crystal of abundance, so this can be a great crystal to use in matters of business or just in other goal-setting situations. Along similar lines of abundance, the carnelian crystal is also known to increase fertility and potency, not only in your sexual organs, but also in what you want to manifest, in what you want to create, basically in how you want to use your the creative energy flowing through you within this world. Another thing I just love about carnelian is that it is a high vibration stone that brings energy, but it's also stabilizing and grounding, helping you to keep your ideas grounded into the world so that they can actually become a reality rather than just floating around in your higher chakras in thought. The carnelian crystal is all about balancing sacral energies within your being. So the sacral chakra corresponds with the color orange and with the crystal carnelian. And so that is the second chakra, and it's connected to the sexual organs and creative energies. So if there's ever a block in your creativity or just in creating in general, then it may be an issue with the sacral energies kind of having a blockage there. So to bring balance and health to the creative energies within your being, carnelian is an excellent crystal to use for just that. So some ways that I love to use carnelian to boost creativity include to just sit down with the carnelian crystal and meditate and journal about the crystal or just about creativity in general. Basically, get your creative thoughts and energy moving in any way you would like. You can draw or paint your thoughts if you're not much of a writer, but in some way, you can either move your body in expressive movements, or you can speak, write, sing, you can paint, do anything to get those creative energies flowing. And when you incorporate that activity with the carnelian crystal, you're only bringing more energy into that creativity that you're bringing out. Not only does the carnelian crystal give you more courage, it actually helps to remove the fear of death altogether by bringing a certain kind of understanding of life and its cycles. Now, with the courage that this crystal brings, it also helps you to have the courage to trust yourself and to trust your own perceptions. So this crystal can help you to make positive life choices that can help move your life into a new direction. So this crystal is amazing in so many ways. And if you want to boost your creativity and set your life on a whole new path, maybe you should try the carnelian crystal and see how this beautiful orange crystal can help you. So whether you use the carnelian crystal to boost creativity or to stabilize and ground your higher vibration energies, or if you use it for both, the most important thing to remember when using crystals is to set strong intentions into the crystal and to give that crystal energy each and every day. So all you have to do is cleanse your crystal first by saging or putting it in water or something along those lines to cleanse the energies off of the crystal. And then place the crystal within your hands and speak your intention into the crystal. So what you intend the crystal to help work with you on. So once you've set your intentions after cleansing the crystal, then you bring it along with you. Carry it in your pocket, in your purse, in your bra, or in some way have it with you each and every day. If you do not want to carry the crystal with you, you can meditate with it at home, or you can leave it near your bed. But you do want to remember that the carnelian crystal may not be the best crystal to put next to your sleeping place because it does bring a higher energy with it. So just use the crystal in any way you want, really. Whether it's during meditation, carrying it around with you, leaving it in a place in your house, or on a crystal grid. Just make sure you set those intentions into the crystal and give that crystal attention each and every day to keep your intentions strong. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. So if you like this video, be sure to click that like button and share this video with all your friends out there. And of course, if you're a viewer but not yet a subscriber, I would just love for you to click subscribe down below. And once you have subscribed, you can then turn on the notifications bell if you would like to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending your time with me. I love you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.